Starting a lifestyle blog on Instagram is an exciting journey filled with endless possibilities, creativity, and opportunities for personal growth. Whether you're passionate about fashion, wellness, travel, food, or simply sharing your day-to-day experiences, Instagram is the perfect platform to connect with a vibrant community and showcase your unique perspective. The first step is to define your niche. Ask yourself what aspects of your life you're most excited to share. Is it the way you organize your day, your morning rituals, your favorite places to eat, or your travel adventures? Pinpointing your niche will help you attract followers who resonate with your content and values. Next, create an Instagram account dedicated to your lifestyle blog. Choose a memorable username that reflects your brand and is easy for your future audience to recognize. Your profile picture should be clear and inviting. Think bright colors, a friendly smile, or a logo that represents your style. Don't forget to craft an engaging bio. In just a few lines, tell your potential followers what your account is about, what they can expect, and a hint of your personality. Add a link to your website or favorite platform if you have one. Now, it's time to dive into content creation. Consistency is key on Instagram. Decide how often you want to post, whether it's daily, a few times a week, or even weekly. Start by planning your content ahead of time. Use a calendar to map out topics, photo ideas, and captions. High-quality visuals are crucial. Good lighting, vibrant colors, and eye-catching compositions will set your posts apart. Don't worry if you're just starting. Smartphone cameras work wonders, and free editing apps can enhance your images with just a few taps. Captions are your chance to share your story. Write authentically, letting your personality shine through every word. Share tips, personal anecdotes, and ask questions to encourage engagement. Use hashtags strategically. Combine popular lifestyle tags with niche-specific ones to reach the right audience. Tag brands, locations, and people when relevant to boost your visibility. Engagement is at the heart of Instagram. Respond to comments, like, and comment on posts from other creators, and build relationships within the lifestyle community. Use Instagram stories to offer behind-the-scenes glimpses, daily updates, or interactive polls. Stories are a great way to connect with your audience on a more personal level and keep your content fresh and dynamic. If you want to grow faster, consider collaborating with other bloggers or influencers. Share shoutouts, co-create content, or host giveaways to expand your reach. Remember to remain authentic. Your followers will appreciate genuine recommendations and interactions. As your blog grows, you'll want to keep an eye on analytics. Monitor which posts perform best. Learn what your audience loves, and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Instagram Insights is a powerful tool that helps you understand your followers' behavior, preferences, and demographics. And if you're looking to take your lifestyle blog to the next level, Famety is here to help. With over a decade of expertise in boosting social media presence, Famety offers likes, followers, comments, shares, and more, helping you reach a wider audience faster. Our services cover all social media platforms and even extend to Google and SEO, making us your one-stop solution for online growth. Plus, our live support ensures you get the best experience every step of the way. Remember, building a successful lifestyle blog is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay true to yourself, keep experimenting, and enjoy the process. With the right strategy, creativity, and support from Famety, you'll turn your passion into a thriving Instagram lifestyle blog, ready to inspire, entertain, and connect with followers from around the world. So grab your phone, start sharing, and let your lifestyle story unfold.